Hello, this is Chef Anna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm so glad to see all of you. Today, I have a very easy yet delicious recipe that I would like to share with you. In order to do that, I would love to bring you into my kitchen so that I can cook with you. Please come in. Now that you are here, I would like to show you how to make this world and international famous sweet and sour dipping sauce. The first thing we'll shall do is to boil half cup of water in this small saucer. I have some options of my sugar choice today. So I have some pure cane sugar. I use about quarter of cup. And then I also have palm sugar. And I use about 9 of these, so equivalent to about half a cup or even a little bit more. The reason I'm using palm sugar or pure cane sugars, these are the two sugars that can produce in my home country in Cambodia. We do not have regular refined sugar like we do here. So I'm stuck with cooking with palm sugars or pure cane sugars. I'm so happy that they now have it available in the supermarket, and I'm using this because I just love the way it smells, the textures, and the pure sweetness of the palm sugar. Okay, now that we got our sugars melt down and the water's boiled up, the next thing we shall do is to use about quarter of cup of fish sauce. We can substitute this with any kind of sodium of your choice. If you do not like the smell of the fish sauce, you go right ahead and put any type of sodiums of your choice. You are fine with that also. For those who are not familiar with the term sodium I'm using in here, I'm simply say that use any kind of salts of your choice. You're fine with that also, alright? I'm a kind of chef that always thinking outside of the boxes. People cannot figure out some of these ingredients, but to let you know that after the sugar melted, and then I added quarter cup of fish sauce, and then follow with a quarter cup of vinegars. With vinegars, I have choices between rice vinegar, apple cider, or vinegar of your choices. I also prefer fresh squeezed limes or lemon juice. Those work as well, and it tastes a lot better, believe me. I conclude this sauce making by adding about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and go right ahead and do that. If you don't like it, leave it out. Once you're done with the sauce, let it cool down. You can scoop it up and serve, and the remains you can leave it in the tight lid jar in the refrigerator for a long time. Now that you know how to make this dipping sauce, is universal. It's a multi-use for dipping for spring rolls, fresh spring rolls, egg rolls, any kind of Chinese food or Asian food, any kind of food you find. I hope you find this video clip is helpful to you. If it does, please help subscribe, like, and share. If you're new to my channel, please do that as well. I appreciate your business. Thank you so much.